gonna eat.
What are we going to name this video? Joyce eating? Let's just go eat a cake. No, Emma, we can't do that.
Why?
Because they can see the license plates.
No, through the camera all you can see is white things. Little white things.
What?
The little white things on the back side of the car. It's on the car. Look at me, my brand new Ford. Me, my brand new Ford. Just got it yesterday. 131 car. Where's Hitler Cat? Hitler Cat is our local cat that looks like he has a Hitler mustache.
I want a jelly. Can we go run on the field? I have a craving for running on the field.
Is Hitler Cat there? No, he's not. Okay.
Oh, sour.
La 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 la
Come on, we go check.
Yeah.
Investigators. It caused a ringing in my ear.
Where's she gone? Is she there? There goes Dammy going down the road. See what's the problem? He can't hear a thing. He can't even hear it. He's just like, oh yeah. Let's go down the road.
Maybe it's our imaginations. Maybe the jellies are poisonous.